my name is Gauri and I am a legal intern with Lexis & Company. In this video, I will be discussing a popular judgment of Hogan versus Hinge, in which in 2008, a broadcaster, Darren Hinge, published the names of sex offenders subject to supervision orders after release from prison. In doing so, he allegedly breached Section 42 of the now repealed Serious Sex Offenders Monitoring Act of 2005. Hinge's defense of 5 criminal charges raised issues of constitutionality and freedom of speech that were uplifted for consideration by the High Court from the hearing in Magistrates Court of Victoria. Hinge argued that the law allowing judges to prohibit the naming of offenders on extended supervision orders threatens the institutional integrity of state vested with the Commonwealth jurisdiction trying to extend the cable doctrine. The High Court didn't agree, and it held there was an important distinction between a law that required a court to conduct its business behind closed doors and one that allows a court to suppress publication of its proceedings if it deems it necessary in the interest of justice to do so. The court also didn't think that a power to prohibit publication in these circumstances amounted to an impermissible suppression of the implied freedom of political communication talked about. Although Section 42 could be burdensome, the court was satisfied the provision was reasonably appropriate and adapted to serve a legitimate end in a manner compatible with the maintenance of representative and responsible government provided for in the Constitution. The Charter, called the Human Rights Act, didn't play a starring role but was relegated to being an extra. The court did engage in a little balancing exercise of certain rights to reject Hinge's submission that the suppression provision was strict liability. The plurality confidently rejected the notion that the offence Hinge was charged with was strict in liability. The court concluded the offence was one which required a mens rea of acting in breach of the suppression order. That brings me to the end of this video. If you have any queries, you can post them in the comment section. Thank you.